Getting over him. I got no rules, I count 'em.
Hey guys, it's Bree. Welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you my May BOXYCHARM unboxing. This is try on style, so I'm going to try on all of the products that I got in this month's box. Make sure to give this video a thumbs up if you like it, and don't forget to subscribe. And if you want to see what I got in this BOXYCHARM, just keep watching. Okay guys, so today I'm going to be showing you my BOXYCHARM unboxing. We're going to do it try on style, so I'm going to try as much as I can in the box. The theme this month is Boxy Bash. And the first thing in this box is the COVERFX Blurring Primer. So it says this is a lightweight, soft focus primer that blurs the appearance of pores, fine lines, and other imperfections, creating a smooth canvas for flawless foundation application. And this retails for $38. This box is $21 every month. And the first thing I pulled out is $38. That's crazy. I actually already have this primer, so I'm going to set this one aside and use the one that I already have. That is what it looks like. It has a slight tint to it and it feels very silicone-y. It almost reminds me of the Benefit pore filler. It feels very smooth. When I use pore filling primers like this, I will focus it mainly in my problem areas. So for me, that's my cheeks right here, basically my T-zone, and then my chin right here, and then I'll just blend it out like this. I'm gonna go ahead and spray my face with my Smashbox primer water as well. So I'm gonna quickly put on foundation, concealer, and powder, and I will be right back. Okay guys, so I just put on foundation, concealer, and powder. I used the Covergirl Vitalist Healthy Elixir foundation. My two favorite concealers, which is the Catrice Liquid Camouflage and the Makeup Revolution Conceal and Define Concealer. My allergies are like getting to me, so if I sound stuffy, I'm sorry. And then I used the Maybelline Fit Me powder in Fair Light. Okay, I just turned my lights down because I feel like you couldn't really see me. Okay, so my face is set and ready to go. This is the PUR Sculptor Palette. It retails for $30. It says a 4-shade sculpting palette that features 2 high beam highlighters and 2 matte contour shades that will leave skin sculpted to perfection with highly pigmented and buttery formulas. This is what the palette looks like. It comes with a decent mirror and it smells like chocolate. This one actually looks really dark. It looks like I'll only be able to use this one. It's not picking up on camera as dark as it actually looks in person, but this one almost looks a little bit too deep for what I like, but we will try it. And then it has these 2 highlighters. So I think this is more geared towards medium to deeper skin tones. Let me swatch these. Okay. So Founder and Inventor. Founder, Inventor. Trailblazer. Ooh, that's pretty. And Originator. Those are pretty. This Trailblazer looks like it would be a little too dark for a highlighter for me, but it would be a very pretty eyeshadow shade, which is what I'm going to be putting on my eyes. I'm going to be using this today as well. So I'm actually going to try this brush for contour. I don't really know. This is the Aesthetica, I think that's what it's called, P12 face brush. With synthetic fibers that allow for maximum control, the P12 face brush is perfect for creating a seamless look. This retails for $27. Okay, but it didn't say like what it's for. This, I don't really know what I would use this for. It's kind of a weird shape. It's like maybe for blush. I don't know. I'm going to try it for contour. So I'm going to go into the lighter shade right here, which is Inventor. Blending out pretty nicely. I don't know, my skin is still clearing up. I had a pretty bad breakout, so it's really hard to tell if this looks patchy because the product is patchy or if it looks patchy because I have so many scars and spots underneath it. And I didn't use a very full coverage foundation today, so I'm just gonna contour the rest of my face and just do the perimeters, and then maybe I'll be able to tell if it's actually patchy or if it's just my skin. Okay, so this is what it looks like. I actually think it blended out nicely, and I really like that color, that shade for me. I kind of thought it was going to be too dark. I think it'll be really nice in the summertime. I still think I'm a little too fair for this. It's casting quite a, I don't know. I can't tell if I like it. I feel like I need to go over it with a little bit of powder. Just dye it down. I'm definitely, this one I'm going to have to use a couple times before I decide if I like it or not. It's kind of, I don't know. I just don't know right now. So then I'm going to go into the lighter highlight shade right here, which is Originator, on a Morphe M510 brush. Okay, so I put that on. It's really pretty. It's more of a subtle highlight, but it is showing my texture quite a bit. So I'm just going to dab over it with my sponge. And I feel like that always really helps when my highlighter is looking more textured. Yeah, see, I think that looks way better. This one I think for sure emphasizes texture, the highlighters, which sucks because they're actually really, really pretty. Go really quick on my eyes with this Morphe M504. I'm going to pick up that same shade that I contoured with and just buff that into the crease. And then I'm going to go in with Trailblazer and pack that all over my lid. Okay, so I blended that same contour shade. It actually looks really nice on my eyes. I really like that. So then I'm going to go into that deeper one on a Morphe M518 and work that into the crease and the outer corner. Okay, so then I'm going to go in with that deeper highlighter shade, Trailblazer, and I'm going to pack that all over the lid. Okay, so these are pretty. They look really pretty on the eyes. I'm still iffy about them on the face. Like, my contour looks fine. I don't really know. I can't tell if it looks too muddy or if I use too much. That same highlighter that I put on my face, Originator, and I'm going to put that right under my arch on this crown detail brush. And I'm also going to put that inner corner. And then taking a Morphe E18 brush, taking that lighter of the contour shades and just smoking that out. Okay, so the next thing in here is this Pretty Vulgar, the Ink Gel Eyeliner. I'm not good with these. I have to use a pen, like a felt tip pen for eyeliner, but I will try this. This retails for $24. It says the highly pigmented gel eyeliner provides quick drying application with enriched vitamin C to condition the lids. Its creamy and water resistant formula allows for smooth application that stays in place all day. Okay, and then to do this, I'm picking up the other thing in this box, which is the Aesthetica 3-piece eye trio. The Aesthetica Trio series comes with an angled eyeliner brush, a brow spoolie, and a fine-tipped eyeliner brush. A convenient 3-in-1 used for a wide variety of looks from subtle wing to dramatic cat eye. Use the brow brush for fuller, more defined eyebrows. This retails for $45. Oh my gosh. First of all, the spoolie. So many eyebrow pencils come with spoolies that I would never pay like $15 for an eyebrow spoolie. That just sounds ridiculous to me. So the eyebrow brush is so big. Look how big that is. I'll show you the one I normally use. Like, this is the size of one that I normally use, this pink one. And this is the one that they, could you, oh my gosh, it's like bigger than my whole brow. Could you just imagine? No, that's too much. I would not use that. And it's pretty thick too. I would not use that, no. I don't like that one. And then the spoolie, I mean, it's just a spoolie. I have this spoolie that I got for like $1 and I use it every day. So I'm gonna go in with the eyeliner one. The detail, it's just really thin Okay, so I think the packaging on this is A1. It's adorable. I love it. I think it's so cute. I already can't do this. Oh. I can't even tell you the last time I used like a gel liner to do a wing. That is the smallest little baby wing I've ever done. The packaging is cute and all, but it kind of makes it difficult to like see how much product you're grabbing. And I actually really like this brush. It is pretty firm for how like long it is. So that is what the wing looks like. I mean, that wasn't awful. Like, that wasn't... It's just... I suck at doing winged liner. So something like this kind of actually sucks for me. This is why I don't film myself doing liner. It's just a mess for me. Okay, so that's what it looks like. It actually looks really good, and it was pretty easy for me to create this. For how unskilled I am at winged liner, it was actually really simple. I really liked this brush. I think the way the bristles are and how it stays pretty stiff even though it's like pretty long and skinny, I think that it actually worked really nicely for creating these wings. They don't match. This one's a little bit bigger, but it's fine. It's fine. So I liked that one brush. The other two brushes, I'm just like, the angled brush I would not use for my brows. It is way too big. The spoolies just kind of like, I mean, every eyebrow pencil or most eyebrow pencils come with spoolies. I have a really cheap spoolie that would work. So, I mean, I wouldn't go out and buy these at all. But I will use that first brush, the brush that I used with this. This looks really nice. It's actually really, really black. I can't tell if it dries down matte. It looks kind of satin. Over here looks a little more matte, so maybe this just needs another second to dry, but I think it actually looks pretty good for me doing it. Okay, and then the last thing is in here is that this lip gloss. This is the Han Skincare Lip Gloss. It says this moisturizing lip gloss is formulated with antioxidant rich argan and acai oil infused with anti-aging superfruit extracts and vitamins to benefit the lips while delivering a beautiful color from natural sources. This retails for $15. Okay guys, so I finished up the rest of my makeup. I could not for the life of me get this stupid thing open. Like, I sat there probably for 10 minutes. Yeah, for a good 10 minutes trying to open this, and I just cannot get it open. So I guess I will have to test it out later. Maybe when my husband's home and he can open it for me, because for the life of me I cannot open it. So I added up everything in this box, and this box is valued at $179, which is insane. I think that's probably the highest valued box I have gotten from BOXYCHARM. It still just blows my mind every single month when I get the box and when I add up how much it is worth, and it is always worth over $100. It's just crazy to me. You pay $21 a month, you get 4 to 5, and in this month I think we got 6 high-end products shipped to you every single month. It's awesome for someone who is looking to expand their makeup collection, for someone who is just a makeup collector or a makeup enthusiast. This is the perfect subscription box for you. This, when I first started getting into makeup, BOXYCHARM really helped grow my collection. It really helped me reach out and be able to try higher end products when I wasn't that into makeup yet and I didn't really want to spend the money on higher end stuff. Now I mean, I just can't stop. But it is a great subscription service. I really like it. Even if you're disappointed in 4 of the products out of the box, usually the one product that you love is worth more than the box itself, than what you paid for it. I don't think you can really go wrong with this. Let me know if you guys subscribe to BOXYCHARM, what your favorite products have been in these boxes, what you thought of this month's box. I was pretty happy. I did end up putting on a different lipstick. I actually used the Lorac Highly Pigmented lipstick in Minimalist, which is like my go-to. I have been reaching for this nonstop. This is like my staple lipstick right now. And then I actually popped on the lighter highlighter originator right on the center of my lips, and I really like how that looked. So I'm going to go through and tell you guys what I think. This little brush trio, I like the eyeliner brush. I think it worked really well with the eyeliner that I got. This, I mean, I'll use, but I don't think it's anything to like jump at. And then also this brush is just huge and really thick, and I could just not see myself doing my brows with this. It's not small enough to detail my brows like I like to. So this one's kind of a flop. This one I don't really care for, but this one was really nice. The COVERFX blurring primer actually worked really well. I think it filled my pores really nicely. My foundation went really nice over it. I do like this primer. Like I said, I already had it in my collection, so now I have a backup, or I can give it to someone else if I don't find myself using it that often. But I think this is a really great primer. The Sculptor palette, I am just on the fence about it. I don't really know what I think about it. On my eyes, I think it looks beautiful. This is what's on my eyes today. I think it is really pretty. The highlighter, I kind of like, but it actually looks, it emphasizes my texture quite a bit. Like even on my brow bone, it looks very textured, and normally it doesn't. So for a highlighter, I don't really know. I did end up having to go over it with a damp sponge to kind of tone down the texture on my face, but I don't know. I'm just on the fence about this. I will have to let you guys know in an update what I end up thinking about it, because I just have no idea. I don't know if I like it. I don't know if I hate it. So the lip gloss, I couldn't try. I couldn't open it. I can't open it for the life of me. I cannot. Oh my gosh. No, I can't open it. And then the last thing is this pretty Vulgar gel eyeliner. I actually really like how this looks. It is a very black, very intense. It went on really nicely. I can't tell if it'll smudge or anything, but it feels like it dried down really nice, and it looks like it dried down really nice. It was really easy to apply, so that was kind of awesome, because I haven't done gel liner in a hot minute. I basically need a felt tip eyeliner pen to create winged liner. I just suck at it. I think I will always suck at it. So this actually was really nice, and the packaging is adorable. I really love the packaging. I think it is so cute, and the product looks really, really nice on my eyes, so I really like that. Basically the only thing, well, I couldn't try the lip gloss, but the only thing I'm on the fence about is the Sculptor palette, the PUR Sculptor palette. I just don't know about that. And then those other 2 brushes that came, oh yeah, there was another brush too. This brush. This was another Aesthetica. This is the P12 brush. It's kind of a weird brush. It's just kind of a weird shape. It's like really long, and then it is rounded. So I don't know. It worked decent for contour. It might be a better bronzer brush, but I don't know. It's just a weird shape. I don't see myself reaching for that a lot, but I think the primer was 100% made this box. The eyeliner really made the box, and if I can get the Sculptor palette to work for me, I think I would really like it. I'm just not, yeah, I just don't know still. I actually filmed doing my hair, so if you guys want to know how I get these beachy waves, that video should be coming up soon. I don't know, I've been pre-filming a lot, so my videos, they're just all over the place, but I will link that down below. If it's not up yet, it will be coming up soon, so look out for that. Make sure to subscribe if you haven't already. I post 3 videos every week, and give this video a thumbs up if you liked it. I know everyone does BOXYCHARM unboxings, BOXYCHARM try-ons, but I figure I would show you guys too and give you my kind of first impressions on these products. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you in my next video.
Getting over him. I got no rules, I count 'em.